olive, vampire skin, shredded brains, tomato heart, sliced pumpkin, pumpkin juice, and a skull pan. Okay, let's get brewing. The first thing we're gonna do is take the insides of olives and spread it over our skulls. Awesome! The next thing we're gonna do is take our vampire skin and cut it into 6 pieces.
Okay. Woo, gonna be so excited. Oh, whoa! That was a big boom!
The next thing we're gonna do is line our skulls with our vampire skin.
Oh yeah, baby's turn to get stuffified.
Oh, they look like brains.
Now we're gonna stuff our skulls with some yummy toppings.
Okay.
Ooh. So I'm gonna start with some cheese. Ooh, let's put that cheese down there. Now I'm gonna take some tomato hearts.
I'm gonna have some sliced pumpkin. Oh, these smell so good.
Yeah.
Now that our skulls are filled, we're gonna stick it in our fire chambers at 400 degrees for 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
So the skulls are out of the chamber and have cooled off. It's time to meet our new skull friends. Okay. Whoa! Look at that!
Those look so cool!
Whoa! Oh, these smell look so good.
Yeah.
Now it's time to devour it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna break it.
Oh!
Whoa! Look at that!
Wow.
Whoa! Now I'm gonna try it.
This tastes so good.
I'm gonna try its face.
Oh my gosh.
This is good.
This
I
is
love
delicious.
Mhm.
This may be the best pizza I ever had.
This is the best skull I've ever had.
Uh-huh.
Okay, guys, we give these skull pieces a big thumbs up. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching our show.
Subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye. Hey, girls, why don't skeletons like to go skydiving?
Why? Because they don't have the guts.
That's a good one.
It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did a monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom.